In a bold leap forward that underscores Russia's technological supremacy in unmanned maritime systems, Russian shipbuilders and defense engineers are reportedly advancing a revolutionary 500-ton unmanned surface vessel, USV, inspired by the highly successful Project 22,800 Karakurt-class small missile ships. This development signals a new era of autonomous naval power projection, where Russia strengthens its defensive capabilities while maintaining a strategic edge in contested waters. Far from being a mere prototype, this unmanned evolution builds directly on the proven strengths of the Karakurt platform, delivering enhanced lethality, stealth, and operational endurance without risking human lives. The Karakurt class, with its approximately 800 to 870-ton displacement in manned form, has already proven itself as a compact yet devastatingly effective missile carrier. Ships like the recently launched Storm for the Pacific Fleet demonstrate exceptional seaworthiness, stealth features, and formidable strike power in littoral and near-sea zones. Now, Russian innovators are scaling and optimizing this design into a lighter, fully autonomous 500-ton variant, perfectly suited for high-risk missions, swarm tactics, and persistent presence in hostile environments. This move aligns with Russia's broader push into unmanned systems, complementing existing USV families like the Kama platform and hydrofoil developments, while leveraging the battle-tested Karakurt architecture. At its core, this 500-ton unmanned Karakurt derivative retains the sleek, faceted stealth superstructure of its predecessor, minimizing radar cross-section and making it extremely difficult for enemy sensors to detect and track. Its compact size, roughly 50 to 60 meters in length, allows exceptional maneuverability in shallow coastal waters, riverine environments, and archipelagic regions where larger vessels struggle. Powered by advanced, reliable diesel-electric or hybrid propulsion systems derived from the Karakurt CODAD setup, featuring high-output engines like the M507 series, it is expected to achieve speeds exceeding 25 to 30 knots while maintaining a cruising range of over 2,000 nautical miles. This endurance enables long-duration patrols across vast theaters, from the Baltic and Black Seas to the Pacific and Arctic approaches. The real shock lies in its payload and combat systems. The vessel features a modular vertical launch system, VLS, compatible with Russia's premier precision-guided munitions. Expect 4 to 8 cells for caliber NK cruise missiles, capable of striking land targets at ranges up to 2,500 kilometers or engaging surface threats with devastating accuracy. Integration of supersonic P-800 Onyx anti-ship missiles and potentially hypersonic Zircon variants positions this USV as a formidable hunter-killer, able to neutralize enemy surface groups, coastal installations, and high-value assets from standoff distances. Unlike vulnerable drone swarms with limited payload, this platform delivers heavyweight strikes with the reliability of a corvette. Defense is equally impressive. The unmanned ship incorporates the Panzer M naval air defense system, combining short-range surface-to-air missiles with rapid-fire 30mm cannons to counter aerial threats, including enemy drones, aircraft, and incoming missiles. Close-in protection comes from heavy machine guns and electronic warfare suites. Advanced AI-driven autonomy allows real-time threat assessment, evasive maneuvers, and coordinated operations with manned Karakurt ships or aerial assets like Orlan-10 UAVs for reconnaissance and targeting. It can operate in sea states up to 5 to 6, with sophisticated sensors, including radar, electro-optics, and hydroacoustic systems, ensuring all-weather, day-night effectiveness. Payload flexibility is a major pro for Russia. Beyond strike weapons, the vessel supports modular configurations for mine-laying, electronic warfare, reconnaissance, or even acting as a mothership for smaller USVs and underwater drones. Its reduced displacement to 500 tons optimizes production speed and cost, allowing Russia to field dozens of these platforms rapidly. Autonomous navigation, satellite communications, and AI decision-making loops mean it can execute complex missions with minimal human oversight, reducing crew risks to zero while maximizing operational tempo. This development delivers multiple strategic benefits that bolster Russia's position as a leading naval power. First, it multiplies force projection without straining personnel resources. In an era of hybrid threats and drone-heavy conflicts, Russia can deploy persistent, low observable assets that saturate enemy defenses and create dilemmas for adversaries. A fleet of these 500-ton USVs could dominate littoral zones, protect key sea lanes like the Northern Sea Route, and deter incursions in the Black Sea or Pacific. All while complementing the expanding manned Karakurt fleet, with multiple ships like Zhev, Udomlya, and Storm entering or nearing service. Second, it showcases Russia's industrial resilience and innovation. Despite challenges in traditional shipbuilding, engineers have adapted proven Karakurt designs, originally influenced by earlier 500-ton concepts like Project 12,300 Scorpion, into cutting-edge unmanned platforms. This evolution supports mass production at shipyards like Pella, Amur, and Zelenodolska, accelerating fleet modernization at lower costs compared to crewed vessels. Third, it enhances deterrence and asymmetric warfare capabilities. These ships can conduct high-risk operations, such as penetrating contested areas, loitering in ambush positions, or forming autonomous wolf packs, without endangering sailors. Integrated with Russia's hypersonic and cruise missile arsenals, they amplify long-range strike options, making any potential aggressor think twice about challenging Russian maritime interests. In defensive terms, they excel at protecting home waters, countering enemy USVs, and supporting broader naval groups with reconnaissance and fire support. Experts highlight how this fits Russia's forward-thinking doctrine, combining manned and unmanned assets for layered defense. The unmanned Karakurt variant reduces logistical burdens, no large crews mean less support overhead, and increases survivability through dispersion and autonomy. It also positions Russia strongly in the global arms market, with export potential for allied navies seeking affordable, high-impact maritime solutions.